So here's my old Leviton GFCI switch. You can see the brand name under there. Leviton. So this switch went bad. Now, I don't blame it. It's been in the kitchen for at least 10 years. And so I went to replace it. And of course I bought the same switch, same Leviton switch. All right. See, same manufacturer, same switch. However, Leviton, now here's where you have to be aware, Leviton decided to switch things up on me. Right? So on a GFCI switch, you've got a line and a load. And you can see here, same orientation. Right? However, the old switch has, you can see the load. The new switch, the load at the top, new switch has line at the top. The old switch has line at the bottom. New switch has load at the bottom. So you can't do a direct swap. You have to actually reverse all the wires to make this work correctly. So just be aware of that if you do it yourself. Have a good day.